Alexander Couture has launched 4 new styles, 2 long styles, and 2 short styles. And I have got the 2 short styles, which I think are pretty good sister styles. So let's learn about them. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. The 2 styles that we are going to learn about today are Aria, straight bob with bangs, and Rosanna, this one right here. She's got a really messy wave pattern. She also has bangs, and I have both of these in the color Mochaccino R so that you can really compare apples to apples. These styles just launched. They are on the more affordable side for the major name brands. Alexander Couture is a part of the René of Paris line of wigs, and they're made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers. Let's take a look at Rosanna from all sides. Now, as you know, I do no modifications to the wigs that I review. I may comb through them and shake them out, but I make no changes. And I will tell you right off the bat, the bangs on these are pretty long for me. They will poke me in the eyes this whole entire video if I don't sweep them to the side. So that is what I am going to do. For me, I would need to trim these bangs. And I will tell you, I have a video that shows exactly how to do that with a thinning razor. It is a foolproof way to trim bangs, to cut a little bit of layers, maybe some face framing, and you don't have to have any skill. I will make sure that video is linked below so that you can make your wigs your own. Before we look inside the cap, let's take a look at Aria from all sides. So on these, we have a center part and a lace front. So there's that center part, and then we have an extended lace front. So all of this is parting space, but it is pretty limited to the center of the wig. We have ear tabs with bendable stays. This one does not have an extended nape, and we've got Velcro adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. Now, I do want to point out the lace on these. It is very visible on my skin tone, as you can see. Both of them, the lace is very light. My skin right now is very dark. It's summer and I tan very, very easily, and then I do wear some bronzer and things, so I could not get away with wearing the lace the way that it comes because it is so visible. And then the knotting on this color is also visible. So any of the dark colors, I am sure you'll be able to see the knotting. Now, because this has a bang, both of these pieces, you don't necessarily have to worry about that unless you want to wear the bangs swept to the side. If you are going to wear it with a full bang, I wouldn't worry about these things because you can't see them. But if you decide you would like to take advantage of the lace front, then please be aware of your skin tone. Personally, I would trim these with a pinking shears. It would give the lace a scalloped edge as opposed to a straight across edge. And whenever lace shows on me, that is my go-to trick because it works so well. I actually have a video showing how to do that. You can also use a little bit of makeup. I have a video showing how to use face powder to hide visible knots. So there are absolutely ways to work with wigs where you can see the knots or you can see the lace. So to me, that's not a deal breaker necessarily. It's just something to be aware of. But again, with the bangs, you may not have to worry about it at all. And because these are made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, you can take heat to these to change up the style if you would like. So if you trim up the bangs and you want them to lay a little bit differently, you can use traditional hot tools, a hot comb, a hot airbrush, you can use a curling iron. So absolutely, these wigs are going to give you a lot of flexibility. I will put some pictures up, some side-by-side pictures, because I do think these are excellent sister styles. Let me show you the lace on this one. Because the length is so complementary to each other, I think you could, if you were someone who doesn't want anybody to know that you're wearing a wig, you could get both of these styles and you know, alternate them, change them out. Some days have straight hair, some days have wavy hair, and nobody is going to be the wiser. So let's talk about density and Permatease. There is no Permatease, traditional Permatease on Aria, the straight one here. There are some crimpy fibers right at the cap back here, but nothing pillowy. I'm touching all the way down to cap. There is no poof, there is no volume at all. So aside from needing to fix these bangs here so that they don't poke me in the eye, this one really is a great throw and go. And if you get overwhelmed by wigs, this one doesn't have poof and volume. That is typically what overwhelms a new wig wearer. Rosanna also doesn't have any traditional Permatease. It is not poofy on the top. It is very, very flat on the top. Now it does appear to have a little bit of volume on the sides with this really messy deconstructed wave pattern, but it is really due to the style and the waves, not because it has a ton of hair or because it has a lot of volume. You could take a curling iron if you wanted to add more wave, like maybe say in the front here, or if you wanted to turn these waves into more like curls. So there is flexibility, but these are definitely, I would say, a really natural density out of the box. Let's talk about fit. I think these are running pretty true to average, maybe a little bit larger than average. I've cinched these in all the way. The adjusters are meeting in the middle, and now it feels a little bit more secure on my head, and I am getting a lot of extra cap on the top. All of my measurements are in the description box below. I have a 21¼ circumference. I'm very petite over the top of my head, so I would absolutely say these are running average to a little larger than average, and there is a ton of stretch. So to sum up, these are kind of fashiony, you know. This one's really got some potential. If you like messy waves, Rosanna could be a good one for you. I would get in there with some styling cream and really amp up these waves. I think this could be a great kind of a great hairstyle for maybe a concert, or, you know, a night out with the girls, something where you might wear your hair just a little messy and a little wild. Whereas Aria could be a great one, sort of an everyday work style. It's very polished and professional with its smooth, sort of rounded bob, and so it absolutely is kind of day to night. And I think that's really fun to be able to have some styles that are sister styles in that way and give you some choices. Let's talk about this color, Mochaccino R. It is a favorite in the Renee of Paris world. This is a very, very popular color. I would consider this more of a sort of a blonde, mix between a brown and a blonde. It definitely has light brown vibes, kind of light golden brown, and then we do have some gold blonde highlights throughout. You can kind of see those highlights a little bit. It isn't stark. It's not like a stripy, super thick highlight. It is really well done, fairly blended while still being dynamic, and it's perfect for my wig sisters who kind of like a brightness to their browns. Maybe you don't want to go fully blonde, but you do like that brighter golden light brown tone, and you are okay with some blonde highlights. And then it is a rooted color, but look at what a phenomenal job they did with the root. It's just a shadow of a root. It's not a long root. It's not a super dark root, so the contrast isn't significant. You'll especially see that outside where it's going to look a lot more blended. It looks really natural. Great light golden brown. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. I will put some information in the description box. I will link these pieces. I can save you 30% at Chiquel.com, and honestly, these pieces are they're under $200, so for a major name brand, they are priced pretty well. Hope this helps. See you guys soon. Here is this gorgeous color. The sun is sort of filtered a little bit behind some very high clouds. And it looks like it's going to poke out of them here. Very well blended. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.